Sebelum menonton, jangan lupa like, subscribe, dan tekan tombol lonceng. Selamat menyaksikan.
Presiden Prabowo Subianto melakukan pertemuan bilateral dengan Perdana Menteri Li Qiang di Great Hall of the People, Beijing, Republik Rakyat Tiongkok. Kunjungan kenegaraan pertama Presiden Prabowo ke Tiongkok ini menjadi momen penting dalam memperkuat hubungan strategis antara Indonesia dan Tiongkok di berbagai bidang. Dalam pengantarnya, Presiden Prabowo menyampaikan apresiasi atas sambutan hangat dari pemerintah Tiongkok. Ia menekankan bahwa kunjungan ini bukan hanya mencerminkan hubungan diplomatik, namun juga persahabatan mendalam antara kedua negara. Presiden Prabowo juga menggarisbawahi sejumlah kontrak bisnis antara perusahaan-perusahaan Tiongkok dan Indonesia yang akan segera ditandatangani dengan nilai investasi mencapai lebih dari 10 miliar US dollar. Investasi ini diharapkan akan memperkuat kolaborasi antara korporasi kedua negara serta mendorong keterlibatan yang lebih mendalam antara masyarakat Indonesia dan Tiongkok. Selain aspek ekonomi, Presiden Prabowo juga menyampaikan minat Indonesia untuk belajar dari pengalaman Tiongkok dalam memberantas kemiskinan. Menurut Presiden Prabowo, pemerintahnya akan meningkatkan upaya pengentasan kemiskinan di tanah air. Sedangkan di bidang pendidikan, Presiden Prabowo menyatakan keinginan Indonesia untuk mengirim lebih banyak pelajar ke institusi pendidikan tinggi di Tiongkok. Melalui kebijakan tersebut, ia berharap dapat membangun generasi muda yang terdidik dan mampu menghadapi tantangan global.
Prime Minister of the People's Republic of China, Your Excellency Mr. Li Qiang, and distinguished leaders of the government of the People's Republic of China. Once again, thank you very much for receiving me and my delegation. As you reminded us that even before I was officially certified as President-elect, your President and your government kindly received me with great honor in April this year. This is also very moving for us and for me, and I think this shows the great friendship and the great respect that the People's Republic of China holds towards Indonesia. And I would like to emphasize once again that we consider China to be a very important friend and important partner, not only for now but for the future. And as I said that I would make my first state visit to China as the President of the Republic of Indonesia, I was inaugurated on the 20th of October, not even 1 month ago, and I would like to thank once again the leaders of the People's Republic of China for sending your Vice President as the special envoy of the President of the PRC at my inauguration. I think it's once again a great honor for us, for the Indonesian people, and for myself. This visit, as my first state visit outside Indonesia, less than 1 month after my inauguration, I think is a message that I'm committed to strengthen the friendship and cooperation between Indonesia and China. And I thank you for your remarks that we need to take practical steps. And I think we are moving very fast with practical steps. The investment from Chinese corporations into Indonesia economy is very large. Even tomorrow afternoon, our Chamber of Commerce and Industry will have an event in which there will be contracts being signed between Chinese corporations and Indonesian companies amounting to more than 10 billion US dollars. So I think this shows the close collaboration and also the increased participation and integration of Chinese corporations with Indonesian corporations to the benefit of both our countries. We will celebrate our 75th anniversary, I think, next year. And on all sides, I would like to say that all measures of cooperation shows an increase, a significant increase. We would like to learn from the Chinese experience how you have developed very fast in the last 30 years, especially your eradication of poverty. And Indonesia, we are going to increase our effort to eradicate our poverty, and I think we would like to learn more and more from your experience also. Also in your massive increase in your education, I think we also would like to cooperate with your country on the issue of education. We would like to send more and more of our students.
Pertemuan bilateral ini menjadi tonggak penting dalam perjalanan hubungan diplomatik Indonesia-Tiongkok yang akan merayakan peringatan 75 tahun pada tahun 2025. Di tengah tantangan global, pertemuan ini menunjukkan komitmen kedua negara untuk terus mempererat kerjasama dan membangun masa depan bersama yang lebih sejahtera. Turut mendampingi Presiden Prabowo dalam pertemuan ini adalah Menteri Koordinator Bidang Perekonomian Erlangga Hartarto, Menteri Luar Negeri Sugiono, Menteri Investasi dan Hilirisasi Rosan Ruslani, Menteri Kelautan dan Perikanan Sakti Wahyu Trenggono, Menteri SDM Bahlil Lahadalia, Sekretaris Kabinet Teddy Indrawijaya, Wakil Menteri Pertahanan Doni Hermawan, Wakil Menteri Pendidikan Tinggi, Sains dan Teknologi Stella Christy, Wakil Menteri Perumahan dan Kawasan Permukiman Fahri Hamzah, Duta Besar RI untuk RRT Jauhari Oratmangun, Kepala Staf Angkatan Udara Marsikal TNI M. Tony Haryono, serta Kepala Staf Angkatan Laut Laksamana Muhammad Ali. Tim Eljan Media melaporkan.